This is the VRE. Woodbridge residents use it to commute to the city every day. That's why when you're looking for a condo in Woodbridge, you want to be within a few miles of the VRE. Well, I found you that place, just over a mile away. Let's go check it out. This home is all about the details. It's move-in ready. New floors, fresh paint, updated bathrooms, even the hinges are upgraded. There's a bedroom on each side of the home. Both of them have upgraded and attached bathroom. And first floor living means you can just go right outside. When you live in Woodbridge, dining, shopping, and everything you need is nearby. And Prince William County is filled with nature and recreation.